sounds that we use in my meditation method are actually as Gaeilge in the Irish language. Because did you know that the Irish language is actually as potent and ancient as Indian Sanskrit? During this course, you will learn my very simple 3-step method of meditation. Each week, I will start the 45-minute session with monology, one of my tales that is rooted in Irish mythology, but with an emphasis on the feminine landlore and on the Irish goddesses. You will learn about Boann, Macha, Maeve, the Morrigan, and Cailleach, and of course, Breach. Out of the ancient tales come these sacred sounds, as Gaeilge, and we use those sacred sounds, those beautiful, soothing Irish words, to guide us inward in the meditation, for that is the purpose of a mantra.